Today, I want to show you color coding, one of Rev's newest and most useful organizational features that helps legal teams stay on the same page. This intuitive system lets you tag files based on their importance to your case, making it easy to prioritize your work and collaborate with your team. Let's dive in and see how it works. First, head over to your files by clicking My Files in the navigation. Now, let's choose a file to work with. You'll notice when you hover over any file in your list, a tag icon appears on the right-hand side. Simply click this tag icon and you'll see a range of color options pop up. Let's select red for this file, which we can use to indicate high priority evidence that needs immediate action. And just like that, the file is now clearly marked with a red tag. There's another way that you can add color tags. For any file, you can click the ellipses, the three dots on the right side, and this opens up a menu where you can also change the color tag to your preference. It's the same functionality, just accessible in a different spot, depending on your workflow preference. Now, here's where color tagging becomes really powerful for your workflow. Say I only want to focus on my high priority files marked in red today. I can click the filter icon here, select the red tag, and apply just that filter. Now my view only shows files tagged as red. This is a super efficient way to narrow down what you need to be working on, especially when you're dealing with large volumes of evidence. You can also change color tags while working within a file. Let's open up this transcript that we previously tagged as red. While reviewing, I've determined there's nothing critical here that requires immediate action. I can easily update the tag by clicking right up here the top and changing the color to my preference. In this case, we'll change it to green. The change is reflected immediately and will update the tag in your file list as well. This color coding system is especially valuable when you're working with a team. Everyone can instantly see which files are most important without having to check in with each other consistently. You can establish a simple system like red, meaning needs urgent review, yellow for requires follow-up, and green for reviewed and processed. Rev's color coding feature helps your legal team organize evidence more efficiently. So give it a shot and let us know what you think. We're dropping new videos in the Rev Basics series all the time. So subscribe to our channel, don't miss anything, and let us know in the comments what Rev feature you'd like us to cover next. See you soon.